my name is Jamie Westerman and I'm a nurse practitioner at CRMC and I work in the medical weight management program.
I'm Laura Hofford. I'm a medical assistant that works right with Jamie, side by side.
We're gonna be making today egg roll in a bowl. All right, we're gonna go through the ingredients here now. So first you're gonna start with a pound of your ground protein. So you could use a ground turkey. We're using actually a mild Italian sausage today. You could do a hot sausage. You could also do lean beef, or you can even do ground venison. So this is where we start with our protein. And then we're also going to have a 16-ounce bag of our coleslaw mix, or if you had a head of cabbage and you wanted to make your own coleslaw, add some shredded carrots, that's just fine too.
And then we have, let's see, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. And this one you can do either a clove of garlic, or like the easy way that Jamie and I like to do it is right out of the bottle.
So we're gonna start today by taking our protein and we're just gonna brown it in a skillet until it's cooked through. This is probably the longest step. This is a pretty easy recipe. We like to keep it simple. 30 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbohydrates. You can also make this gluten-free just by choosing a gluten-free soy sauce. But we like this for low-carb eating.
Okay, so I'm gonna add in the ground ginger, a half a teaspoon. Sounds like we like garlic around here. So you can do, again, teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever your little heart desires here. And then we're gonna add the soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix that up again.
Okay, so last we're gonna add our coleslaw mix. We don't have the biggest pan here, so I'm only gonna add about half of it, but usually what you would do is you would add the entire package of coleslaw, and then you're gonna cook this down for about 3 minutes, just letting the flavors kind of blend together. Ooh, it's delicious.